Osmo Pro Vacuum Honest Review. So, the Osmo Pro Vacuum is a high suction smart vacuum that promises 7 times more cleaning power compared to standard robot vacuums. So, the features of this product is that it offers powerful suction, AI powered room mapping, automatic dirt disposal, and voice assistant integration, which you can connect to Alexa or Google. The ease of use is that the setup is straightforward and the app control works smoothly. However, the 7 times suction power can make it slightly louder than regular models. And let's go to the pricing. It falls in the mid to premium range, usually between $400 to $600, depending on the model and the bundle that you will buy. So, the pros are it has strong suction power for carpets and pet hair, smart navigation with precise mapping. The cons are louder than most robot vacuums. Premium price tag may not suit budget buyers. So, for final verdict, the Osmo Pro vacuum delivers on its performance claims, making it worth it for deep clean lovers, but it may be a overkill for small apartments or light cleaning needs. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.